If you've been working as a 1099 contractor and you're ready to level up your business, protect your income, or reduce your tax burden, switching to an LLC this year is one of the smartest moves you can make. So in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to switch from a 1099 contractor to an LLC the right way, legally, financially, and for tax purposes. Quick note, if you use my recommended tools, including Bizee, I may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. It helps me keep these videos free, and I appreciate your support. By the end, you'll know how to set up your LLC, notify clients, separate your finances, and transition your income so everything stays clean with the IRS. Let's get into it. What switching to an LLC really means. Before we walk through the steps, you need to understand something that confuses almost every new contractor. You are not technically changing your 1099 status. You are creating a completely separate legal entity, an LLC, and shifting your income so that your business gets paid interest instead of you personally. Right now, as a 1099 contractor, all income flows directly to your personal social security number. When you create an LLC, that changes in 4 major ways. Number 1, the LLC becomes the business receiving the income. Clients will pay your LLC instead of sending money to you personally. 2, you become the owner of the LLC. You are now legally separate from your business. Number 3, the LLC gets its own EIN. This becomes your new tax ID for payments, banking, and filings. Number 4, your business taxes and personal taxes are separate. You now have cleaner deductions, clearer records, and stronger protection. These changes matter because of legal liability protection. With an LLC, if something goes wrong in your work, your personal assets are protected. Your savings, car, home, all shielded from business-related lawsuits or claims. Tax clarity and structure. Your business income and personal income are no longer mixed together, and this avoids audit problems, simplifies bookkeeping, and opens the door for future tax strategies. Professional credibility. When clients see that you operate as an LLC, they view you as a legitimate business and not just a freelancer sending invoices from a personal account. This shift also sets the foundation for hiring subcontractors, opening business credit lines, electing S-Corp taxation later to save thousands in self-employment taxes. This structure is the first real step from being a contractor to becoming a new business owner. Now, let's walk through how to transition cleanly. Step 1, form your LLC properly. Your first step is forming the LLC that will take over receiving your income. To do that, you must complete 4 actions. Number 1, choose a business name. It must meet your state's requirements and be unique. Number 2, file your articles of organization. This is the document that formally creates your LLC with the state. Number 3, choose a registered agent. This is the official point of contact for legal and IRS documents. Number 4, pay your state's filing fee. This ranges from about $50 to $500 depending on the state. Most 1099 contractors pick from 3 types of formation tools based on their needs. Bizee, best for affordability. If you want a fast, low-cost setup, Bizee lets you form an LLC for free plus state fees. This is ideal for contractors who want to transition into an LLC without spending a lot upfront. Zen Business, best for beginners. If you want a guided step-by-step formation with built-in compliance reminders, Zen Business is designed for new founders who want clarity and structure. Northwest Registered Agent, best for privacy. If you don't want your home address on public records or you want filings handled discreetly, Northwest masks your address and scans documents the same day. And this is extremely helpful for contractors working from home. Each option supports a clean formation, which is essential because after this point, the IRS and your clients will start recognizing your LLC as the business they work with, not you personally. Step 2, get an EIN for your LLC. Once your LLC is formed, it needs its own federal tax ID and EIN. And from this point forward, you should never give clients your personal social security number again. Your EIN is what you'll use for business banking, receiving or issuing 1099s, hiring subcontractors, electing S Corp status later, filing your business taxes. You can get an EIN free through the IRS, but here's the part most contractors don't know. If any detail on your EIN application does not match your formation documents exactly, the IRS will flag your business as inconsistent, and that can cause issues when you file taxes or apply for S Corp status. That's why a lot of people choose to have the EIN handled professionally. How Northwest's EIN filing works. When you use Northwest, the process is clean and guided, so everything matches your state formation records. First, you select your entity type and state. This ensures the EIN is filed under the correct structure, not a sole proprietor anymore, but as your new LLC. Next, you enter your legal business name exactly as registered with the state. Northwest automatically compares the spelling, punctuation, and formatting against your articles of organization, so nothing gets mistyped. Then you enter the responsible party information, your name, address, and social security number. Northwest checks these fields against your formation document to prevent data mismatches inside the IRS system. After that, they create your secure Northwest dashboard. This is where your EIN letter will be stored permanently and where any IRS correspondence tied to that EIN will automatically appear. Finally, Northwest files the EIN application with the IRS on your behalf. Once the IRS issues the number, it appears right inside of your dashboard, ready for banking, W-9s, and tax filings. This process prevents the most common mismatch errors contractors run into when transitioning from using their social security number to using an LLC, and it ensures your EIN is tied correctly to your legal identity from day one. If you want your EIN filed cleanly and matched to your LLC records, I'll put the Northwest EIN filing link down below. Step 4, update your operating agreement. Even if you're the only member of the LLC, you still need an operating agreement. This document outlines who owns the LLC, how the LLC is managed, how taxes are handled, how money moves in and out of the business. It becomes critical if you ever get audited, elect S Corp taxation, add a partner, apply for financing, open a business bank account. LegalZoom offers customizable operating agreements with structured prompts that ensure you don't miss key legal provisions. This is helpful because most contractors have never written an operating agreement before, and the IRS expects the document to match your tax filings. Your accountant will use this agreement, your bank will rely on it, and if you ever face legal issues, this document proves your business is a separate entity. Step 5, notify your clients about the change. So once your LLC is formed and your business bank account is active, the next step is transitioning your income so it flows through the LLC instead of through you personally. This requires notifying every client, platform, and payment source you work with. This does not need to be complicated. A simple professional message is enough. Going forward, please issue payments and all 1099 forms to my LLC rather than my personal name. I've attached an updated W-9 and the new EIN for your records. From here, you need to update your information everywhere your clients interact with you. Your W-9 forms, any active contracts or service agreements, statements of work, payment processors like PayPal, Stripe, Fiverr, Upwork, invoicing software, direct deposit systems, retainer agreements if you work on recurring projects. Once these updates are in place, all future income legally belongs to your LLC, not to you personally. This is the moment your contractor income officially transitions into business income. This step is essential because it establishes a clean break between your old structure and your new one. It protects your liability shield and sets the stage for correct tax reporting at the end of the year. Step 6, start invoicing under your LLC. From this point forward, every invoice you send must reflect your business entity entity, not your personal identity. Your invoices should clearly list your LLC name, your business address, your EIN, never your social security number again, your business email, your business bank account, or payment instructions. Most contractors use invoicing tools like QuickBooks, Wave Accounting, FreshBooks, PayPal invoicing. All of these support business entity profiles, so your invoice formatting will automatically appear more professional. The most important rule here is simple: stop invoicing under your personal name, stop using your social security number for payments. Your LLC is now the business providing the service, and your invoices must reflect that relationship. This is one of the clearest signals to the IRS that you are operating as a legitimate entity, not an individual contractor. Step 7, understand how taxes will work. Now, this is the part that confuses most contractors, but once you understand it, the entire LLC transition becomes much easier. When you form an LLC, you still pay yourself personally, you still pay taxes on the income, but the income now flows through your business first. This changes how you report income, not whether you owe income tax. If you remain a default LLC, a single member LLC files a Schedule C, a multi-member LLC files Form 1065 and issues K-1s to partners. You still pay self-employment taxes, you still deduct business expenses the same way, but now more cleanly. The real benefit comes later. Once your business begins earning around $60,000 to $80,000 per year in net profit, you can elect S Corp taxation. This allows you to pay yourself a reasonable salary, reduce your self-employment taxes, save thousands per year in Social Security and Medicare taxes. This is why so many contractors switch to LLCs. It positions them to take advantage of tax strategies that aren't available to sole proprietors. If you want help filing the S Corp election correctly, both LegalZoom and Northwest offer done-for-you support, so the documentation matches IRS requirements and your operating agreement. Step 8, keep clean books from day one. One of the biggest mistakes new LLC owners make is treating their LLC like a personal account with a new name. From the moment your LLC becomes active, you must track LLC income, LLC expenses, owner draws, business subscriptions, contractor payments, mileage, home office usage, or other deductions. Clean bookkeeping is the difference between a smooth tax season or an IRS letter asking for clarification. Many 1099 contractors make the transition into an LLC and then accidentally mix personal and business expenses. This causes issues for liability protection, tax deductions, and even S Corp eligibility. To avoid this, tools like Zen Business, QuickBooks, or Wave provide structured bookkeeping dashboards that keep your business finances organized and separate. The cleaner your books, the easier it is to deduct legitimate business expenses, prepare accurate tax returns, avoid audit risks, and qualify for future financing or S Corp status. Step 9, stop using your social security number for business purposes. Once the LLC is active, stop using your SSN on W-9s. Stop receiving payments under your personal name. Stop mixing personal and business income. Everything must go through the LLC moving forward. This is how you maintain liability protection and create clean tax records. Switching from a 1099 contractor to an LLC this year is one of the best decisions you can make for your business, financially, legally, and professionally. And the steps are straightforward. Form your LLC, get your EIN, open your business bank account, notify clients, update your invoices, keep clean books. If you want the cheapest way to form an LLC, Bizee offers $0 formation plus stay fees. For beginners, Zen Business is the most guided and supportive option. If you want privacy and long-term compliance, Northwest is the strongest choice, and LegalZoom is the big brand platform for people who want everything done in one place. Some of these links may be affiliate links at no extra cost to you, and using them helps keep the channel running, so thank thank you in advance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what industry you work in. I can help you structure your LLC the right way for your situation. I'm Erin from LLC Deals, and I'll see you in the next one.